Village Panchayat Secretary, Santa Cruz. On the occasion of 60th year of liberation, Santa Cruz Panchayatin आज patriotic singing competition आयोजित केल्ले. ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनाक सांता क्रूज विलेज पंचायती टोटल 4 स्कूलां पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ली. एक अंजुमन स्कूल, एक मुस्टिपण स्कूल, एक हेगडेवार स्कूल आणि तिसरे सांता क्रूज स्कूल. ह्या स्कुलामध्ये सिंगींग कॉम्पिटिशन जालें आणि तेतूर हेगडेवार स्कूल सगळ्यान पयली प्रायज विजेते जाले. दुसरे मुस्टिपण आणि तिसरे सांता क्रूज हायस्कूल. हांव सगळ्या स्कुलाचे अभिनंदन करता आणि हॅपी लिबरेशन डे म्हणून सगळ्यांक विश करता. थँक्यू.
We are just called them up because the student had exams today, I think. So if you don't mind, we'll wait for 5 minutes. Yeah? Good morning to all of you. A warm welcome, especially to all of you children, students of schools which are within the jurisdiction of Santa Cruz. Yeah, we are happy to have all of you here because the occasion also is a very happy occasion. Okay, so thank you so much for coming and participating in this competition. We want the spirit of liberation to be active in all of you, okay, and active in us also, okay. So this occasion is the 60th Liberation Day of our beloved Goa, which is going to be tomorrow, and in celebration of that we are having this competition, okay, and therefore the theme of this competition is patriotic singing, right? Patriotic singing, yeah? You can understand that, no? The theme is patriotic singing, okay? Let us have that kind of affection for the day tomorrow, which is a special day. So before we go into the formal function, we have today amongst us our MLA of Santa Cruz, Sri Antonio Fernandez. I acknowledge his presence. We also have the other Panchayat body of the Santa Cruz represented by the Sarpanch Indira Fernandez and Secretary Rajendra Gawas. Panch members Namdev Naik and other Panch members too, besides the staff of Village Panchayat of Santa Cruz. My name is Elsa. I am going to be hosting this occasion for you. Okay, I'll take you through a few things, formalities as well as some informal events. The participating schools are, I will also mention the school which is yet to come because we've got their registration names. Okay, so the participating schools are Dr. K.B. Edgewar High School, Kujira, Anjuman Nurul Islam High School, Kujira, Santa Cruz High School, Santa Cruz, Mushtifund High School, Kujira. So we have 4 schools participating in this group patriotic singing competition. Okay? You all are happy to be here? Yes. Okay. So besides this, we have with us today 2 judges. Mr. Clement Mendonça, who is a renowned veteran musician of Santa Cruz. We also have the second judge as Mr. Bonnie Alex Dias, who is a renowned guitarist, music teacher, and leader of the band Ambassadors. Okay, let me start with the formal function. As a token, I request one of the students to give the bouquet of flowers for our MLA, Sri Antonio Fernandez. Sir. Special function which is scheduled for tomorrow. In advance, we are having this celebration to kick-start that function of the 60th liberation of our state of Goa. So, to begin the function, I will request Shri Rajendra Gawas, Secretary Panchayat Santa Cruz, to say a few words so that becomes an energy booster for you to start the singing. Okay? Thank you.
The respected MLA of Santa Cruz, Tony sir, respected Sarpanch Indra madam, respected Panch member Namdev Naik, and the participating school Anjuman, Egrewar, Mustipan, and Santa Cruz school. As you all know that we are celebrating, the state government is celebrating the 60th year of liberation, Goa independent. 19 December 1961, the Goa got liberated, and from the day of liberated to the 60th year, the Goa state has made drastic infrastructure-wise, education-wise, all-round development Goa state made. On this occasion, the Santa Cruz Village Panchayat hosted its patriotic singing song competition within the jurisdiction of Village Panchayat Santa Cruz, that we are having the Kujira complex, the complex which the school is there, and one school of Santa Cruz. So I welcome all the participants, their headmaster and my judges to host this patriotic singing competition. With these few words, I'm stopping here, and actually I start requesting the Elsa madam to start the actual competition. Thank you very much.
The first participating school for the group patriotic singing competition organized by the Village Panchayat of Santa Cruz. The first school is Dr. K.B. Hedgewar High School, Kujira. Yeah. Samiksha S. Vedit, Sanvi S. Bhatt, Sumeda C. Kankonkar, Bhavika J. Haldankar, Ananya V. Balkar, Yukta P. Savoykar, Pauravi A. Desai. Right. Islam High School. We need to appreciate their presence. So we have with us Rabia Amin Bhavi, Nisba Ratialli, Amina Betigiri, Sana Parve, Khajabi Mullah, Nagina Kunkur, and Arkham Mir. That's all.
तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा ओ देश मेरे आंचल तेरा रहेगा रंग बिरंगा ऊंचा आसमां से हो तेरा तिरंगा ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा ओ देश मेरे 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 ओ देश मेरे
मेरे शान में सबके. So we had these lovely sentiments here in this song, and now I call upon the next school, Santa Cruz High School. Can you come? We have with us Anjali Pai, Disha Korate, Shobha Guddanave, Yashvi Kunkolekar, and Bhavesh Hadkodkar. Yeah, so
Good morning to everyone. We are from Santa Cruz High School. Today we are here to sing a song of Goa on the occasion of Goa's 60th Liberation Day.
Mushtifund High School. Next school on stage is Mushtifund High School. Please come. So Mushtifund High School we have Anuja Savaikar, Urvi Onskar, Sakshi Bobe, Anuja Bugde, Vachas Patarpekar, Vedika Gamkar, and Shreya Bhosle.
भारत
पळयतात कळ्ळें तुमच्या दोळ्यांतल्यान आमी गोंयचें भविश्य पळयतात हो 60वो लिबरेशन काय ना यू विल ऑल्सो सी द 100th लिबरेशन सारकें काय ना मे बी देर वी मे नॉट बी देर but we see a good future for our beloved state of Goa through each one of you, okay? And for that we need a big round of applause. Mr. Namdev Naik, दोन उतरां ह्या ओकेजनाचेर तुमी म्हणची.
सगळे आमच्या कलाकृती स्कुलाचे भुरगीं तशेंच आमचे MLA बाब अंतोनियो फेर्नांडीस, सरपंच इंदिराबाई, जजीस क्लेमिंग, आमचो डायस एंड सगळे जमलेले म्हाजे स्टाफ आनी आमचो सेक्रेटरी राजेंद्र गांवस सगळ्यांक हांगा येवन हे सगळे सोंगां आयकल्या बद्दल तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आतां थोड्याच वेळान आमचो रिजल्टूय भायर सरतलो तितल्या म्हणसर आनी सगळ्यांत चड म्हणजे आमचे एल्सा बाय सॉरी हांव तुका विसरूंक ना तुवें हे इनिशिएटीव बरी घेतली आनी हे बरें प्रोग्राम करून हाडलो. आयज आमचो हो 60वो वर्स आहा हें 60वें वर्स आयज आमचें गोंय सिनियर सिटीजन जालां. आतां आमचे गोंयांत आमकां सगळें लागू जातलें सगळें जें पळय कितें गोंयांत कितें मेळटा तितलें लागू जातलें आमचो सरकार येयलो म्हणटकूच देव बरें करूं सगळ्यांक तुमकां.
सांताक्रूज विलेज पंचायत हाची आसरा काल गोवा लिबरेशन 60th लिबरेशनाचे हो प्रोग्राम घडोवन हाडला म्हणून पंचायत सेक्रेटरी सरपंच आनी पंच नामदेव आनी अदर पंचीस हाका देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आयज ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनान आमच्या मदें आमचे सरपंच एक्टिंग सरपंच इंदिरा, पंचायत सेक्रेटरी गांवस, आमचो एक सरपंच नामदेव बाब, जजीस क्लेमेंट एंड बोनी and my dear students, teachers, staff of the village panchayat, and more especially media and of course Elsa Bhai तुम्ही आयकलां आसतलें ते एक टॉन्टो मारताले. ही वॉज हिंटिंग विथ वन इडियोमॅटीक लँग्वेज. आता उल्हास बाबान म्हटलें आमचे गोंय सिनियर सिटीजनान पडलें. ह्याच खातीर एल्साबायच्या उतराचेर हांव अशें म्हणूंक सोदतां, भुरगे आसतना भुरगे आसतना दुखयला ते पुरो. आतां सिनियर सिटीजन जावनय जाल्या उपरांत आमकां आनी गोंयची भुमी, गोंयची तांबडी माती पयल्याच हितून सगळ्यांना आयकलां. म्हाजा गोंय, आमचें गोंय, मेरा गोवा, हमारा गोवा. हितूंतल्यान सगळे तुमी कितें सजमला तेच ती उतरां हांव सांगता. परशुरामाची भुमी, तांबडी माती, झाडां माडांनी रोयलेलें गोंय, कुडादरांनी भरलेलें गोंय, दर्या वेळांनी आमचें भरलेलें गोंय आयज 60 वर्सां जालीं. ह्या खातीर ह्या स्कुलान हांव 4 जाणां जजाचेर मातशें बरें, इट इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर जजींग these 2 songs which as I feel is a big pressure on the judges, but do remember my students, justice will be given. Don't blame the judges today or never. We have gone for so many competitions. We have seen, I have participated in so many competitions. You know, we used to say at that time, no, amka judge justice yuna, it is not like that. Judges are the superior people. That word is called judge. They know more than you are. That is why they will give you the justice. I have covered up the theme where it hurts for the student. Understood, my dear students, no? We have participated in this. Everybody has sang well, but you should not. One has to come first. ह्या खातीर आयज ह्या सरकारान, आमच्या सरकारान संपूर्ण गोंय आत्मनिर्भर भारत हाचे संपूर्ण गोंयचेर आनी संपूर्ण मित्राचेर तुमी नदर मारशे जाल्यार इट इज अ ब्युटिफूल स्कीम which will be at your doorstep. आणि ते स्किमीन इन शॉर्ट सांगता की तुज्या घरात कितें उणें आहा तें खंयचे सायडीच्यान स्कीम बसता ती हो स्वयंपूर्ण मित्र आहा तो तुज्या घरात बसयता. आनी मोदी सरकारान ही असली स्कीम काडलेली आहा, कोणूच बेरोजगारी उरचो ना, कोणूच भुकेन मरचो ना. पूण हे आमी गोंयकारांनी हे आपणावंक जाय. आमचे गोंयकार थोडे भायर आसा, भायल्या तेराक आसा, पूण गोंय आहा तेणी तरी आपणावंक जाय. सो हांव एल्साबायक दुसरें म्हाका दिसता फुडल्या वर्सा ताका डॉक्टर एल्सा म्हणचें पडटलें, बिकॉज शी इज डुईंग अ PhD एंड शी लव्स गोवा, मोर स्पेशली सांताक्रूज. ते म्हाका सांगता टोनी हेर रावन हांव वयर म्हणटा एल्साबाय म्हाजे हात बांदलेले आसता म्हणटा. परिकराक आमकां एक दीस सांगलेलें उगडास सांगता आमी गेलो ना, आपल्या सरकाराक म्हणून आपले हात बांदलेले आहा. आय लव माय सांताक्रूज. आय एम द फर्स्ट पर्सन ऑल ओवर गोवा by taking Elsa into consideration to make VDC. Right, Elsa? We are the first person. आता सगळे चलयता ते सगळे सबंद गोंयांत जाणा. पूण आयज 60th लिबरेशनाचेर ह्या दिसा आयज व्हड सगळ्यांक परबी दिता. आयज आमी 60 वर्सां आनी सबंद ऑर्स बोर्ड आयज गोवा सरकारान अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हे प्रोग्राम केल्ले आसा आनी पंचायतीक खुबसो सपोर्ट दिलेलो आसा. सावंत फायनान्शियली थ्रू सेक्रेटरी टू BDO टू ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट वुमन एंड चाइल्ड टू एम्पावर वुमन्स एवरीथिंग हैज बीन delivered at the panchayat level and panchayat has gone ahead with the people to the doorstep. So winding up with short this thing, as I said, आणि एल्साबाईनी तशें म्हटलां आनी आमच्या एक सरपंचांनी म्हटलां कितें आसा तें तरी आमी सांबाळपाक खूब प्रयत्न करूंक जाय. आनी तुमच्या मुखार एकूच प्रश्न घालता, बिकॉज एज एल्सा सेड For the 100th Liberation Day, definitely I will not be there. I am 55 now. आणि 40 वर्सां म्हणल्यार ताण घेवन वचूंक पडटलो. You see, but अशें हे थोड्या तुमकां मेवतलें, तुमकां भुरग्यांक पळोवंक मेवतलें, पूण तुमकां एकूच सांगता, हांवें एसेंब्लीन देखून हो प्रश्न केल्लो, गोंय कोणाची सांगचे म्हाका तुमी? गोंयकारांची. जमीन कोणाची? कोणाची? खुर्शीराम भूमी. ती भूमी आयज गोंयकारांची. आनी विकता कोण? हे आमचेच गोंयकार विकता आनी तेजेर व्हडलो प्रश्न, झगडटा कोण? हे आमी गोंयकारांनी खुर्शीरामाची भुमीचेर चिंतूंक जाय. हे चिंतपाक जाय की आमी ही भुमी गोंयचे भायर भायल्या लोकांक विकचे न्हू म्हणून. दुसरे परी तेन्नाच हेल्साची उतरां, हेल्सान कितें म्हणटा ती सारकी जातली आनी ह्या फुडें आमी एकवटान वावरची म्हणून आशेन रावता. देव बरें करूं.
You are all interested in the results? Very good. Okay. So I shall announce the result from bottom up. Okay. So first prize will be, I will announcing last. So I will announce the results bottom up. So we have a consolation prize for the Santa Cruz High School. Give them a big round of applause. दिशा कोराटे, शोभा गुडनेवर, यशवी कंकोलेकर, भावेश हडकोणकर. We also want to present our token. सेक्रेटरी बाब मातशे टी-शर्ट तुम्ही दिवचे. टी-शर्ट सर. अंजुमन नूरुल इस्लाम हाई स्कूल. The students of Anjuman are Rabia Amin Bavi, Nisba Ratihalli, Amina Betigiri, Sana Parveen, Kajbi Mulla, Nagina Kulkur, Arkam Mir. So the third place prize money has gone to
Okay.
So the second place goes to Mustifund High School. So Urvi Onskar, Sakshi Bobe, Anuja Bugde, Vaches Patarpekar, Vedika. 6 भाविका जे हळदणकर, अनन्या वी बाळकर, युक्ता पी सावयकर, पौरवी ए देसाई. The accompanist tabla were Abhijit Ekawade, harmonium was Rajkumar Gawas, and the teacher is
हांव राजेंद्र गावस, विलेज पंचायत सेक्रेटरी, सांताक्रूज. ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ 60th इयर ऑफ लिबरेशन, सांताक्रूज पंचायतीन आज पॅट्रियोटीक सिंगींग कॉम्पिटिशन आयोजीत केल्लें. ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनाक सांताक्रूज विलेज पंचायती टोटल 4 स्कुलां पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ली. एक अंजुमन स्कूल, एक मुस्टिपण स्कूल, एक हेगडेवार स्कूल आणि तिसरे सांताक्रूज स्कूल. ह्या स्कुलामध्ये सिंगींग कॉम्पिटिशन जालें आणि तेतूर हेगडेवार स्कूल सगळ्यात पयली प्रायज विजेते जाले. दुसरे मुस्टिपण आणि तिसरे सांताक्रूज हायस्कूल. हांव सगळ्या स्कुलाचें अभिनंदन करता आणि हॅपी लिबरेशन डे म्हणून सगळ्यांक विश करता. थँक्यू.